Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Spark24. Today we will learn about general conversation. So let's start now. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello, good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine. Thank you.
How are you feeling?
I am all right.
Where are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Where do you live?
I live in Islamabad.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What are you going to do today?
Today I am going shopping.
Where are you going right now?
I am going to drink water.
What's on your mind?
I am just thinking about my studies.
How's the weather?
It's too hot.
Why were you crying?
Because I was upset.
Will you join me for coffee?
Sorry, I don't have time.
Okay, no issue. Nice to talk to you. Goodbye.
Same here, take care. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.